Hi, welcome to Post. Today we are going to talk about how breaking down stories can help us in software engineering. Just like an epic tale, breaking things down makes everything easier to handle. Please note that this does not work every time for every story. Sometimes breaking down more will be useless in another way. Let's see why breaking down tasks is important and how it can make your project smoother. Think of your project as an epic quest. To succeed, you need a clear plan. In software engineering, this plan is our story breakdown. But why do we need it? Yeah, without a plan, projects can get messy and overwhelming. And breaking down tasks help us manage complexity and work with our team and solve problems more efficiently. And yeah, that means if your team has more developers, you can divide the task and do parallelly and can finish the main task with less time. Also, you can easily see the complexity of each small story so that you can predict the future, like when you will be finished the task or how many developer hours would that task needed or like that also. And yeah, let's look at some technique that can help us for this story breakdown. First, we have user stories. These are short description of features from the user's perspective. I will explain this with a real project that I have worked on. Just think, there is a system to schools to keep track of students, like making attendance, give online assignments, and sending public notes for parents, and keeping assignment marks like that. Just think, new customer requirement came like parents should be received an email if their child has not come to school. That is a high level requirement. You cannot implement it as soon as the requirement received. Then we have task decompression. This means breaking a big task into smaller and manageable parts. As of previous example, you have both front-end and back-end developers. So there are things that you need to think, like how the UI should be. Are we sending an email automatically after the attendance is marked, or sending it with just a button click? And then back-end logic. You need to implement email to send an email to parent, of course. If you didn't get parents email during the registration process, you need to think of how you can get the email of parents. Then how is the email sent within your application? I mean, if you are using Spring Boot as backend framework, you need to register an email service to your application, and then need to make a logic of sending email, and based on the user's response, how we send email, manually or automatically. You need to think how to send email with a button click. Maybe you need to implement a new API endpoint to do that email sending part. If this should be automatically, you need to write and schedule a job to do this, and need to think of the time of the day you are sending emails. And to work with the UI, button implementation and API integration needed as front-end developer. Yes, that's we can divide the main requirement into 7 parts. See, already broken down into 7 parts. Now it's easy to go on. Now you can plan these stories in your planning meetings and give priority to the stories and you like, and also you can use Jira, Trello like tools to represent your task. And yeah, this video is all about your story breakdown, and that is it for today. In next video, we will see how this feature has already implemented with Spring Boot. I will review a PR that contains already implemented code of this email service. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more software engineering tips. Happy coding!